In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Notion on Windows 11. Notion is a versatile tool designed to help you organize your notes, tasks, and projects all in one place. Whether you're working on a personal project or collaborating with a team, Notion can streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into the steps to get Notion up and running on your Windows 11 system. First, you need to navigate to the Notion desktop app download page. Open your preferred web browser and type in Notion desktop app for Mac and Windows in the search bar. Alternatively, you can directly enter the URL, notion.com/desktop. This will take you to the official Notion website where you'll find the download options for both Mac and Windows. Once you're on the Notion desktop page, look for the Download for Windows button. It should be prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on this button to begin the download process. It's worth noting that the file size is relatively small, so the download should be quick depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, you'll need to locate the file in your browser's download history. In most browsers, you can access this by clicking on the download icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will show you a list of all your recent downloads, including the Notion setup file. Now that you've located the download, click on the Notion setup file to start the installation process. A prompt might appear asking for your permission to allow the app to make changes to your device. This is a standard security check, so go ahead and click Yes to proceed. The Notion installer will now guide you through the installation process. It's straightforward, and all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will automatically choose the default installation location, but if you prefer a different location, you can change it during this step. Once you've confirmed the installation preferences, click Install to begin. The installation process should only take a few minutes. Once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation message and Notion will automatically launch. You can now sign in with your existing account or create a new one if you're new to Notion. Congratulations, you've successfully downloaded and installed Notion on your Windows 11 device. You're now ready to start organizing your work and personal life more efficiently. Remember, Notion is incredibly flexible, so take some time to explore its features and customize it to suit your needs. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!